Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make gnocchi in tomato sauce. At the end of this recipe, I'm also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need 1 cup semolina, 2 boiled potatoes, 4 chopped garlic cloves, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, some basil leaves, 1/4 cup olive oil and 250 gram cherry tomatoes. Now for the recipe, on a clean bench, sprinkle some dry flour. Next, use a rice masher and rice the boiled potatoes. Ensure that the potatoes are still warm and shouldn't be cold. If you are planning to use your hands to mash the potatoes, make sure that there are no lumps. Next, add some dry semolina to the rice potatoes and mix them together. Add more semolina if you feel the dough is still wet. Knead the dough and add more semolina until the dough stops sticking to your hands. Next, take a small portion of the dough, apply some dry semolina on the bench and roll a long cylinder out of it. Next, using a knife or a cutter, cut 1 inch long portions out of it. Apply some dry semolina to it so that it doesn't become dry. Repeat this for the remaining dough. Next, take a piece and roll it over the back of the fork. The space created will absorb the sauce. If you see it again, you need to hold it from the back and drag it with a little pressure. You can also do it without using a fork. Your gnocchi are ready. Next, for the sauce, add olive oil in a wok on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add garlic and onion and mix. Once the onions and garlic are brown, add cherry tomatoes and mix. Next, add basil and chili flakes and mix. Next, cover and cook for 20 minutes on low flame while stirring in between. Next, open the lid and mash the tomatoes and mix and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes in low flame. Next, in a salty boiling water, add the prepared gnocchi. Boil them until they start floating in the water. Next, strain the gnocchi and keep it aside. Next, add 2 ladles of pasta water into the sauce and mix and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Once the desired consistency of the sauce is achieved, turn off the flame and add half of the prepared gnocchi and mix. Transfer this to a serving dish. The gnocchi are ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, grate some Parmesan cheese on top of the gnocchi. Garnish it with fresh basil. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, add the gnocchi in a small bowl and cover it with a plate such that the bowl is on one side of the plate. Invert the plate and then remove the bowl. Garnish it with grated Parmesan cheese and fresh basil leaves. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, add gnocchi in 5 short glasses. Garnish it with grated Parmesan cheese and fresh basil leaves. Place the short glasses on a platter. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.